Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're talking about comparing real numbers. And the idea here is we need a way to be able to say which of these two is bigger. One's written as a square root of 5 and one is 2 2/3. They're going to say, figure out where on the number line it goes. We're going to be able to show that. But in the simplest terms, really all the idea of comparing real numbers is step one, turn all numbers into decimals. So 1, all 2 decimals. Then step 2, order them. Now you can do that on a number line. You can do that just in a list. You can do that however you want to. You can do vertical, horizontal list, however you're going to. They give us a number line, so I'm going to use that. So the first thing I need to do is I need to turn the square root of 5 into a decimal. So I'm going to take my calculator, do this 5 square root button, and I'm going to find that the square root of 5 is the same thing as 2.236069. Now, we usually just like 2 decimal places, so that's 2.24. All right, now I'm going to take 2 2/3, and I'm going to realize that's the same as 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 8. So 3 times 2 plus 6 over 3, which is equal to 6. Or sorry, I put a 6 there. That's supposed to be a 2. So that's 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3. And when I do 8 divided by 3, I'm going to get 2.6 repeating. So these are the two numbers I'm going to look at and compare. Well, 2.2 has to come before 2.6. So when I'm comparing, I've turned both numbers into a decimal. I've put them in order of increasing because 2 becomes before 6, and I'm comparing the 10th spot to the 10th spot. Basically, I go until my numbers don't match. So these twos matches in my 1 spot, so then I go to the 10ths, and I look at the 10ths. These don't, so 2 is less than, so it comes before 6. So which is greater? Well, we have to now remember that 2.24 and what 2.6 repeating were. Now, what would be a true statement is this is less than 2.6, because on this number line, it's less than, it's to the left. Now, this would not be an accurate answer. So you would not receive full points for this answer. What you actually have to do is you have to take this is a true statement, but it's not the accurate answer. What we have to do is we have to write the numbers as they were originally given to us. So which number did 2.2 equal? Well, that was the radical 5 is less than, and then this, I don't put the 2.6 repeating, I do the 2 2/3. So this would be my final answer if I wanted full credit, because it's the accurate answer to the original question, because it includes our original numbers as they were given to us. If you have any questions, make sure to email those to me. Stay safe out there. We'll see you in class.